Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a Coinbase account in Australia. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so if you're on a laptop or computer device, just open up your internet browser. However, if you're on a mobile device or a iPhone, iPad or a Android tablet, you can just download the Coinbase application and it's going to be pretty straightforward. However, if you're on a computer or laptop device, just open up your internet browser and go to google.com, and here just search for Coinbase in the search bar, and then just click on the Coinbase link. It should be the first or second link, so in my case it's the second link, so I'm just gonna click on it, and then you should be redirected to this page. So just click on sign up in the top right corner, this blue button right here. So just click on it and then just select the relevant option here, individual or business. So just click one of these. I'll just click on individual, it's the most relevant to me, and then just click on get started. And here you have to put in your email address, or alternatively you can sign up with your Google account, and then you will be redirected to the next page and you will be given some simple steps that you will have to follow, such as verifying your identity with your driver's license or passport. And yeah guys, this is how you create a Coinbase account easily in Australia. So if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.